Let's dive right into this explainer. If you live in New Orleans, you already know that dealing with utilities can kind of feel like a giant puzzle. But today, we're completely demystifying the new New Orleans Sewerage and Water Board's online billing system. So, whether you're totally new to digital payments or you're just trying to figure out these recent system upgrades, you're in the right spot.
Seriously, let me ask you this. Are you tired of getting hit with those ridiculous late fees just because you're not totally sure how to pay your water bill online? Or, maybe you were perfectly fine with the old portal, and these recent changes have just left you locked out and, frankly, confused? I hear you. Dealing with municipal websites is generally a massive headache. But today, we're going to simplify this whole thing step by step, so you literally never have to stress about a missed deadline again.
Okay, let's look at the agenda. We're going to cover 1. Understanding your bill, 2. Account setup in the portal, 3. Payment options, 4. Cybersecurity, 5. Troubleshooting, and finally, 6. Assistance and tips.
Moving to Section 1, Understanding your bill, the basics.
Now, it might sound a little backwards since we're talking about going digital, but your journey actually starts right on the physical piece of paper you get in the mail. Before you even open up a web browser, you absolutely have to have 2 things from that paper bill: your exact account number, which is usually hanging out at the bottom or the top right, and your name exactly as it appears on the page. Like, even if there's a typo in how they spelled your name on the paper, you have to enter it exactly that way online to verify your identity. So grab that bill, stick it next to your keyboard, and you're good to go.
And honestly, this next number brilliantly illustrates exactly why getting this set up matters so much. $75, that is the hefty delinquency turnoff fee. The Sewerage and Water Board automatically slaps this $75 penalty on your account if a balance over $50 goes unpaid for more than 60 days. And, get this, if you still don't pay 10 to 14 days after that, they hit you with another fee to actually physically come out and remove your meter. By getting your online account set up today, we are putting a hard stop to these completely avoidable fees.
Section 2. Account Setup and Portal. Getting Online.
All right, so we're going to translate that physical piece of paper into a fully functional digital dashboard. And the setup is actually super straightforward. Step 1, just open your browser and go to myaccount.swno.org. Step 2, you're going to look for the button that says Create a Profile. And step 3, well, this is where that paper bill comes in handy. You just enter your account number, your last name or company name exactly as printed, your service address, and your preferred email. You pick a brand new username and password, hit submit, and boom, you've got your digital account. Now, I do have to take a second to validate a very real point of frustration for a lot of New Orleans residents lately. Back in November 2024, there was a major portal reset. The SDBNO upgraded all their online customer accounts, and if you had an account before that date, well, your old username, your old password, and all your saved payment methods, totally wiped. They do not automatically transfer over. You have to re-register for the new account using the steps we literally just walked through. It is a hassle, I know, for sure, but acknowledging that yes, this really happened is the first step to just getting past it.
But hey, there is a silver lining to all of this. Once you're actually logged into the new My Account portal, you get some pretty fantastic new features. The system now connects directly to the new smart meters that are being installed all across the city, which means you can finally see your hourly water use data. So, no more guessing why a particular bill was sky high. Plus, you can consolidate multiple properties under just one login. Like the Water Board says, this finally puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your water usage.
Section 3, Payment Options. Finding what works for you.
So you're logged in, you see your balance. Now, how do you actually pay it? You got a few different paths here, and picking the right one can actually save you some cash. The crucial thing to understand here is the hidden processing fees. Listen closely to this one. If you use a credit or debit card through your My Account portal, you're going to get hit with a $4 surcharge every single time. Ouch, right? But if you use an e-check, meaning you link your bank routing and account number, the fee drops to just 50 cents. And even better, if you set up autopay with an e-check, that fee is completely waived. It is totally free. Now, if you're in a rush, you can use Guest Pay without logging in, but those same fees still apply. And finally, if you need some flexibility, the city officially partners with Promise Pay for interest-free installment plans for past due balances over $50. Or you can use a third-party app like Defer It to split your current bill into 4 biweekly payments for a small monthly fee.
Section 4. Cybersecurity, protecting your finances. Whenever we talk about paying bills online, we absolutely have to talk about protecting your hard-earned money. So here's an insider pro tip straight from cybersecurity experts. When you're choosing between a debit card and a credit card for online utilities, credit is almost always the safer bet. Why is that? Well, a debit card links straight to your checking account. So if a platform gets compromised, a thief is draining your actual real cash.
And while the bank investigates, those funds are frozen, meaning you might not be able to pay rent or buy groceries. But with a credit card, the funds are abstracted. If fraud happens, it's the credit card company's money that was stolen. It's entirely their problem to sort out while you just continue living your life normally. Better yet, if you can, use abstracted methods like Apple Pay or Google Pay.
Section 5. Troubleshooting. Overcoming common hurdles.
Let's face it, technology is never perfect. And municipal websites, well, they can definitely glitch. So let's prepare you for the most common portal fixes. First, if you find yourself locked out after, say, too many failed password attempts, don't panic. Just call 52Water. That's 504-529-2837, and they can unlock it for you. What if you log in and your property account is just missing? Actually, a super easy fix. Just navigate to Profile, then Account Settings, and hit Add an Account. And of course, if you just straight up forgot your new username or password, use the reset links they send via email. Don't let a simple, totally fixable website glitch stop you from taking control of your billing.
Section 6. Assistance and Tips. Financial Safety Nets.
Sometimes, even if you do absolutely everything right digitally, the number on the screen is just too high to pay all at once. And that's okay. The Sewerage and Water Board does have official financial assistance programs designed to keep you away from those massive delinquency fees we talked about earlier. For example, if you're 62 or older or you're a disabled resident, you can look into the TCA Water Help Program. If you just have a high balance that kind of got away from you, anything over $50, you can use PromisePay to set up a flexible, interest-free payment plan. And definitely keep an eye out for late fee forgiveness programs. The city will periodically run these amnesty periods where they waive accumulated late fees if you just agree to get back on a payment track.
Now, before we wrap this up, here's a quick evergreen reminder for you. Online procedures, website interfaces, and these specific fee amounts, they can and do change over time. So it's always the best practice to verify the absolute latest updates directly on their official website, swbo.org.
So what does this all mean for you? Are you ready to get in the driver's seat and take control of your water bill today? Or are you going to let hidden fees just keep draining your wallet? You've got the tools now, and you know exactly how to navigate this new portal. Go grab that paper bill, jump online, and take back your peace of mind. Thanks for joining me.